Hi guys, it's 3 p.m. on a Tuesday and I haven't done anything the entire day. I woke up super early, but फिर भी पूरा दिन I couldn't really work on something which I had to. So I kept on wasting my time. I scrolled a lot of reels and I was just cleaning my phone, I was cleaning the house, I was just doing some little household work, but that is not the work that I had planned to do today. So, welcome to today's vlog. I am going to turn around my day from a slump to a pretty productive day. And you're gonna watch me do it, and I'm gonna let you know beach mein what are the things that you're supposed to do if this is the kind of day that you go through. So, number one, I just took a bath. If you really want to see, I'll just show you the time. Look at the time. So it's 3 p.m. and I did not do anything. So here I am trying to turn around my entire day. I just took a bath and now I am going to sit, do some work. So I'm working on a new project, and for today, that is the work that I was supposed to do the entire day because the launch is next week. So it has been driving me a bit crazy because I'm not on time because of Diwali, etc. But let's turn it around and let's do it. Step number one is literally taking a bath and recharging yourself to get to work. So, there's one more thing that really does play a role, which is looking good and presentable for yourself. Because after the entire day being wasted, you do need to get into that spirit and the vibe of working. And oftentimes, you might just not feel like working at all. So, what you need to do is get ready, take a bath, and wear good clothes. Like, get ready, be presentable, feel good, because after you do look good and get ready and wear good clothes, etc., you do get this, the energy changes in a way where you will feel like working. And you're gonna see how, because I'm gonna do this and I am a queen of procrastinating. I shouldn't have said that. And you're gonna see me do this because I do this a lot, unfortunately. And I'm trying to change that habit before this year ends. So I have worn like my black t-shirt, I've gotten ready, I've washed my hair. Now I'm gonna set up my workstation over here and I'm gonna make my matcha. Step two is to make some kind of drink that does make you feel alive. It makes you feel good, energized, and motivated to work. So for me, it's matcha. Second is nimbu pani, of course. So what you need to do is make some kind of drink which will ask you to work, motivate you. If you know what I'm talking about, you know your drink. So for me, it's matcha, and that's what I'm gonna do now. This this is my motto today. Be productive, not busy. Step number two is setting your workstation. So it includes all the accessories that you use along with the drink that I asked you to make. So this is going to be a part of your entire workstation, which would probably include, stationery, books, your drink, your laptop, iPad, notebook, novel, anything that you need to work, or anything that would probably force you to be more productive. And the next thing is that you should keep away your phone, or you can probably just put it on focus mode, work mode, however you have set it up. So, this entire thing is gonna form a good work environment for you. And that's how you're gonna turn your non productive day to a productive day. So, this is what I'm gonna do. I have my project that I'm working on currently, so I'm gonna keep working on that. And I'm gonna keep you guys over here so that you can keep a check on me if I am working or if I'm not working. And there will be some time where you do feel like giving up and you do feel like going back to the bed and not doing anything. That is when you really need to push through. So at that time, what you can do is maybe just get out of the house, You can put on some music if you want, if you're in the house, if you don't want to get out, or else you can select a task from your to-do list which is something which you would like to do. So it's maybe like a small task, or it could be a big task as well, but something which is interesting enough for you. And that is how you'll be able to push through, you'll be able to get out of that phase where you do feel like sleeping again. But yeah, some kind of energy drink does matter. Make sure that you have a good energy drink, not some kind of packaged carbonated energy drink. Make sure that you're actually making that drink, because that will be added in this process of turning your day from an unproductive day to a productive one. And step number 3 is to just get down to work no matter what. Even if you get distracted, try to get yourself back if it's possible, and then again get back to work. Just now, I'm being super honest, I randomly went to my Instagram and started scrolling reels for 5 minutes. But then this is exactly what happens, right? Like after you're trying to turn your unproductive day or your slumped day to a productive one, this is exactly what happens. And this is kind of pretty common. So what you can do is you should know when to stop and get back to your work. Tying up your hair is like something that you really need to do to stay productive as well. And especially, again, open hair after washing them are also a kind of distraction. Keep that in mind, girls. So I wrapped down my work at least like 20 minutes ago. Although I am gonna work again because I haven't completed my work, but that's what I'm gonna do. So this is step 3. Understand when you're supposed to shut down your laptop and end your work, because you need to, relax and take some rest and just take a break. So step number 3 is know when to take a break, know when to stop. And for now, I am having this. Mama ne banaya ye. This is moringa hibiscus tea. Although this is supposed to be consumed in the morning or on an empty stomach. I don't know why am I having this right now, but both of us are, and we both love it. So cheers. Hi. Hi, Boo Boo. He has a mole over here. So normally a lot of dogs do, but uske tongue pe bahut aage, so it's a bit weird. But we love him. We love him. Hi. I love him. Also, ignore my squeaky voice, but I mean, he's my kiddo. He's my kiddo. God, I love him. So this is what I do usually. Like after work, I play with him. During the work, I play with him again, because that is just what I do. I love him that much. So I wanted to talk to you about turning an unproductive day to a productive one. Does involve some kind of patience, because अगर जल्दी उठ के या लेट उठ के whatever the reason is, अगर काम नहीं हो पाया है, so of course like you need to understand that you're not going to be able to complete the entire thing which was planned for the entire day. But of course you can tick off a few tasks off your list, and if that makes you happy, that will be an achievement as well. And for me, I did tick off 3 out of 5 tasks for my day, and that is something which is a really great thing, because I mean I completed some of my big tasks, the 3 big tasks. So yeah, also there's this book, Eat the Frog, and the same thing is mentioned over there. Like at the starting of your day, in the morning, finish off complete the biggest and the hardest task of the day, so that there's like a whole different burden that gets out of your brain when you complete the biggest task of the day. So I think that is something that I'm trying to implement. This is my dinner, jawar khichdi with veggies. इसका मुंह ऑलरेडी पानी वाला हो जाता है, पागल. So this is my dinner, जवार खिचड़ी बहुत सारे वेजीज के साथ, and 2 eggs. Right, Cooper? Cooper is already ready. So I am done with my day. I'm gonna do some skincare and done. So this is the book that I am currently reading. I have just started it, so I'm like at the start of this book. Yes, I'm over here. Katha Upanishad. Anyway, so I'm gonna read this book. It's a very, very small book, and I need to complete this, and then I'm gonna move on to some self development book. So, this was it for the vlog. What do you say? Was I able to change the day from being unproductive to productive? Comment down below. And I really hope that you liked this, and I really hope that you would follow these 3 steps next time if you ever need to change your day from being unproductive to being productive. The 3 steps really did get me out of a slump, and I hope they do the same for you every time you try it. And I think that was it. I really hope that you liked the video. I really want you to comment down below which video or which vlog would you like to see next, because I really want to post videos that you would like to see, like simply anything that you like. Let me know, and that is what I'll create. So until next time, keep vibing high, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.